Hello again and welcome to part 3 of solving the 3x3. Today we will be going over the second layer. You guys should already know how to solve the first layer because we did that in the last video, and now we're going on to the second layer. The second layer, it takes a little bit of time, but it's technically only one algorithm, but it's just a mirror. And I'll explain that in a little bit. So the concept of what you're doing right now is inserting an edge on the top row, because you hold the white after you solve the white, you put it on the bottom. After you do that, yellow should be on top because yellow is always opposite white. After you do that, then what you're doing is in the top row, which is this one, you're moving an edge from the top row to the middle, the second layer, which is this one. So how you do that is pretty simple. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but that's what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start with this one, orange and blue. Now, orange and blue does not belong in the top because the top is all yellow. When solved, the top is all yellow. So orange and blue, this piece needs to go where the orange and the blue are connected. So this piece goes right here. And I will show you right now. It goes right there. It looks right because that's its solved position, and then you never mess with that again. See how I did it and it went to the right side? This time I'm going to do it and put it into the left side. Or I'm doing it where it's on the left side, but it still goes in correctly. So now let me get that back out of there. So now I'm going to show you the algorithm for inserting a piece from the top onto the left in a second, because I gotta show you one more thing. When inserting a piece, if you look at the top color, what's in the top color is orange. So if you see that the top is orange and it's connected to the blue, what you do is you do not put the piece on whatever's on top. So you see how this is orange? You do not put this piece on top of the orange. You put this piece on top of the blue, because if you put it on top of the orange and then do the algorithm, it goes in backwards. Now, when it goes on to the right side, same thing. See how blue's in the top now? So blue's over here. You know this piece goes here. Do not put whatever's in the top on the side. Make sure that it's on the opposite side. So blue and orange, you put, because blue's on top, you put it on the orange side. And then you do this algorithm. To do it, to put the piece in on the right side of the cube, it's up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. That is how you insert a piece on the right side. Now, see how this is green, this is red, red's on top, so I do not put it on the red center, I put it on the green center. And then to put a piece on the left side, you just do the mirror of that algorithm, and I'm going to show you that now. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, face, up inverted, face inverted. Now you've inserted a piece on the left. Now I'm going to do it again. Here's a green and orange. Another helpful hint that I'm going to explain now is that if it has a yellow in the edge, don't worry about it. It is completely useless for this step. This is green and orange, so I'm going to look for green and orange. It goes here because this is the green center, this is the orange center. So I'm going to look at the top, it's orange, so I do not want to put this piece on top of the orange. I want to put it on top of the green. Then I do the same algorithm that makes it go on the right side. So it's up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. That is how you insert the piece on the right. Now here's a special case. You see how it's in, but it's in the wrong way? It's pretty easy, you just have to do the algorithm twice. So I'm going to do where it's on the right side because I'm moving the right side. So now I've removed it. I'm going to insert it. So right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. Now I've inserted them all. Now I'm going to show that concept one more time, a lot faster. Okay, blue and red. I'm going to look at the top, it's red, so I don't want to put it on top of the red side, but this goes here, so I'm going to put it on top of the blue side, makes a blue line. I'm going to do the algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up, face. Red and green. Green's on top, so I don't want to put it on the green side, it makes a red line, do the same algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, face inverted, up inverted, face. Orange and blue, blue's on top, this goes here, so makes the orange line, and I'm putting it on the right side, so I do this algorithm again, and now orange and green, green's on top, so I don't want to put it on the green side, it makes an orange line down the middle, and I do this algorithm that puts it on the left side, so up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, face, up inverted, face inverted. And that is how you do the first two layers.